Hi, it's Mike.
In Microsoft Excel, you can add comments to any of the areas on the workbook. So to add a comment, just click the cell that you want to add the comment to, click Insert, and then over here on the right, click on Comment, and just add your comment. And then that will be displayed as a little flag at the top of the box, so you'll be able to see any comments just by highlighting there. You can also view comments by clicking on the comment section at the top right here. Not sure any comments that are in the document.
Thanks for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you would like help with other Microsoft tools or programs, please check out our knowledge base portal or contact us with your request.